So, Dave,
Yes,
Pastor Marg here. What you working on?
I was making a drawing about my Advent Day 3 Bible verse. Can you tell what it is?
Baby Jesus, King, and I think I know.
Okay.
I think it's from one of the prophets. I'm going to guess Isaiah,
Yes.
chapter 7, verse 14.
Yes! Hey! Drop the confetti.
Therefore, the Lord himself will give you a sign. You know what the sign's going to say? It's going to say, the virgin will conceive and give birth to
It's
a
a
son.
neon sign.
It's a neon sign, yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and Nisan sign. Birth to a son, and I will call him Emmanuel.
Yes. Do you know
God with us.
God with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, good.
Yeah. Hey,
Yes.
something about you's different. You look different.
And I'm the same.
Yeah? Maybe the glasses?
Yeah, it's the glasses.
Okay.
You got
Let
me.
me see.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Now that I have these on, I don't think this is it. I think it's those ears.
Yeah, it's not the ears.
Oh, they come off?
They're potato chips. It's my
Oh,
it's my snack.
that's gross.
This is the best job ever. The whole idea of the Advent Kindness Kit is to have as much fun as possible. It's to get reacclimated to your family Bible, and probably that resembled NIV. Most likely that was the NIV version of Isaiah 7:14. And it's a real quick verse, but it's the quick background of that is God went to Isaiah. He said, you go to the king of Judah, you tell him not to worry anymore, that there's going to be a birth. And this will end all the strife and worry that you have. Okay, now that my Bible verse is done, I'm going to reach back into my kindness kit bag, and I'm going to pull out a card randomly. This card says, make a thank you note for sanitation workers. I have not completed this yet, but I will. And you can see, nice little garbage truck there. My kids and I will be making notes for our garbage men. Good thing that we can do that still this week. Okay. Since this is day 3, I can reach back into there. Remember that the card is folded a certain way to grab your one of the 25 stickers. I've been playing along. This is my 3rd sticker, and I'm starting to build my nativity set right here. Very cool. Okay, remember that we'd like to hear from you. That writing a note to the sanitation worker is something that I can do with my children and make this a family event. But there are 40 cards in that bag, and whatever works for you is best. If you want to repeat them, do it. Make this community a better place, please. In the bag, we have the calendar events for December. Remember that inside there, 2 things that are current that you should know about is the Advent Bible Study with Pastor Mark, and that is December 4th, 11th, and 18th. 9:45 a.m. or go twice if you love it at 7 p.m. The other thing that you guys should know about is this Sunday. December 8th is one service at 10 a.m. and it is our cantata, which is a lot of fun. The theme is Night of Father's Love, and it's a beautiful setting. The music is incredible. Our music director, Ministry of Music director, Teresa, works so hard at this. All of the musicians work so hard at this. It's a wonderful way to have that feel-good feeling when you go throughout the rest of the day. Also this Sunday, 5 p.m. in the sanctuary, join us for the Christmas handbell concert. Right after that is the cookies and coffee in the fellowship hall. This is a very busy time for our music director, Teresa Carpenter, and we are blessed that she's here working like mad. Keep her in your prayers. Keep all the musicians in your prayers, and join us. Thanks. Day 2, Advent Kindness Kit. Ann Hines gave us a really, really good cliffhanger joke, and I get to answer that for you today. It was, what do you get when you get across a bell and a skunk? Wait for it. Waiting. Jingle smells. And finally, my cliffhanger joke for today would be, how about, what do you get when Santa accidentally goes down the chimney when the fire's lit? Find out tomorrow.